What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I am going to save you a ton of trouble and maybe a trip by the locksmith on these Therma Tru deadbolts here. So this is a front door, typical house, but what you might not know about these is that these are a pretty complex lock with latches up at the top of the bottom. And if you want to unlock this door, it's no big deal. You can just unlock it just like this, and now that deadbolt will open up, all right? But you might be saying, hey, I'm trying to lock it again, and now I can't lock it. What you actually have to do is close it like this, and then lift up on the handle. This case, it lifts up, but I have noticed that some of them push down. But if I lift up the handle, just like this, in that up position, and now I reach down here and turn that, locks, no problem, just like that. So save yourself some trouble from thinking that the deadbolt is jammed or frozen. Just go ahead and lift up the handle and lock it with the key or inside too. So hopefully that helps. I'll see you later. Peter Von Panda out.